So, good morning. So, you're Kim, right? So, why should I hire you?
Why are you hiring?
Because lack of manpower. Never mind. So, how can you contribute to the company?
Ha? Na-Gcash yung company?
Sige, tell me about yourself na lang.
Na naman sa imo akong resume. Now, tell me about myself.
Okay, so you're called Kim, 27 years old, from Mangkilam. In your last experience was manager from Disney. Ha, ha. Okay, now, so what is your strength and weaknesses? Uh, my, my, my strength is my family, and my weaknesses, I don't have weaknesses.
Ipaabot ang tawag ko niya para sa resulta. Sige, salamat.
Thank you, sir.